Welcome to GTV. Today we'll be showing how to change the contacts on the ABB A Line 95 and 115 series of contactors. I will be using the A95 series for this demonstration since the A95 and A115 use similar contacts and can be replaced using the same methods. Prior to installation, I will need to remove any auxiliary contacts that may hinder the installation of the contacts. For replacing the contacts, I will need to have a slotted screwdriver as well as a T15 and T20 size torque screwdriver. With the T15 torque screwdriver, I can remove the front cover by unfastening the 4 screws over here. With the cover removed, I can see the movable contacts held in by a spring as well as the fixed contacts resting under the arc chutes. The arc chutes can be removed by simply pulling them straight up, which will allow me to access the movable contact. With my slotted screwdriver, I can slightly push down on the spring until it dislodges from the contactor. I can then set the spring aside and remove the movable contact. To change out the fixed contacts, I will use the T15 torque screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that are located near the screw terminals on the top and bottom of the contactor. I will only need to remove the screws enough to free up the contactor. Once the screws are unfastened, the springs will push the contactor's gray front away from the coil. I will set the contactor on its side to reveal the 6 screws that hold the fixed contacts in place. With the size T20 torque screwdriver, I can unfasten the screws and remove the contact along with the box lug. I can place my new fixed contact in the box lug and put it back in place so that the hole on the contact lines up with the hole on the contactor. I will then screw it in with the T20 size screwdriver until the contact rests in the contactor and is no longer movable. When the contact is in place, I can direct the spring to sit under the carrier. Once finished with replacing all of my contacts, I will line up the springs on the back with the 2 ports on the contactor's base. I can now start to put my contactor back together using the T15 torque screwdriver on the 4 screws on the base and then again on the front cover. Replacement kits for the A95 and 115 series of contactors, along with thousands of other products and services, are available at Galco.com.